I've got a hot tip about the weather in this week's Jenkins Law Library video tip of the week. It's actually about weather data. Jenkins traditionally got the print version of the local climate data from NOAA, and we would dutifully put them into binders and leave them in the reference area for people to consult. But as you can see from our library record here, back in April 2011 we no longer do that because the data is available online free of charge from the NOAA website. Now the URL is there at the top of the page. It's probably easier for you to go to Google and just Google the term NOAA climate data, and you can see the link here for free data. Now, you're able to go from 2012, I'm doing this in early March, so this is January 2012 data, all the way back to the 1940s, which is quite the stretch. I'm not going to pick 2012 January because this is the most boring winter known to man, but how about August of 2011, which was, as they say, interesting. When you pick the month, you get access to the PDF, and here is the PDF for August, and you can see the interesting days in August of 2011 were the middle of the month where we got about 5 inches of rain, and then here's our friend Hurricane Irene on the 27th and 28th. This is about 8 pages of data, and it's quite useful, and you can download it in the PDF. What's really interesting is you can go back in time. Here is the data from August of 1960, and you can see here on the 25th of August, which is a very special date in history, you can see the maximum, the minimum, and the average temperature for the day, and this is again data that you can go through and download as a PDF. You don't have to get this from NOAA. Here's another source for it. Here's Wolfram Alpha, a great search tool, and I have asked for weather for Philadelphia for, again, our most famous date there, August 25th, 1960, and you can see it's summarized as opposed to individual data elements. It's all summarized here for you to scan, print, or download. So local climate data no longer restricted to paper. You can get it online, both from NOAA and from Wolfram Alpha.